Okay, so this assignment we're going to learn about overlapping. So you might have heard me talk about overlapping in other videos that I've done. Overlapping plays with space, and what that does, space is one of the 7 elements of art, and space plays with distance. So we're going to draw some PVC valves, and they're going to be behind and in front of each other. So I'm going to draw 5 of them, and what you're going to do is you're going to hold your paper. It doesn't matter if you hold it vertical or horizontal, but I'm going to hold mine vertical. Alright, so you do not need a ruler, but try to draw straight lines. If you want a ruler, you can. You won't be able to use the ruler when it curves, but what I'm going to do, the first line anywhere on your paper, I'm going to draw a horizontal line going straight across. So take your time and use a straight edge or freehand it, but try to draw as straight as possible. Doesn't have to be perfect though. Okay, now I'm going to drop down and do a parallel line and go straight across again. So this is going to be my first pipe. Alright, next shape I'm going to draw is I'm going to make a pipe go behind this first one. So this one's in front, the one behind, I'm going to draw a straight line going down. So this is horizontal, and I'm going to do this one vertical. So like I said, if you have a ruler, you can use a ruler. If you don't, you don't have to. But the rulers can only be used when you're doing straight lines. So for example, just to show you can use a ruler, I'm going to go down, but I'm going to stop and pick up my pencil, and I'm going to go to the other side of the line and continue the straight line going down. Okay, so you go to the line, stop, pick up your pencil, and continue. And then I'm going to do one again parallel to that line. So I'm going to go straight down, and I'm going to stop, pick up my pencil, go to the other side, and continue. So you see, rulers or straight edges help, but you don't have to do that. Okay, so the next line, that's 2 pipes. The next line, what we're going to do to show the pipes, I'm going to make some short lines. So this one, I'm going to make a short line going across like that. And I'm going to do another one maybe right here. Okay, PCV valves kind of look like this. I'm going to do 3 dots under that line, next to that line, and 3 dots on this one. So you can see that's 1 pipe. Then this one, I'm going to make the lines go this way. Slight curve. 1, 2, 3. Do one down here. 1, 2, 3. And maybe one up here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so there's 1 pipe. There's another pipe. Alright, so you are going to continue the rest of these pipes. I want you to draw 5 pipes, and they can go anywhere on your paper. But I want you to draw 2 to get started. You do the rest however you want it. I'm going to show you, and I'm going to continue on mine, but you don't have to go in the direction that mine is. So I'm going to show you one more that the pipe is going to curve. I'm going to start over here. I'm going to go out a little bit, and I'm going to curve my pipe, and then I'm going to go down. I'm going to stop at a pipe, pick up my pencil, go to the other side, and I'm going to go down. So you see I'm not using a ruler, but I'm trying to go as straight as I can. Okay, this is going to be my 3rd pipe. Now I'm going to use the same distance. I'm going to go out, but I'm going to curve. I'm going to stop, and I'm going to curve because I want to show that this pipe is just as wide. I'm going to stop at this pipe, and I'm going to continue. Pick up your pencil, continue on the other side, and go down. Alright, now I'm going to draw the lines inside, which are the sections of the pipe. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And right when it curves, I'm going to do 2 of them real close to each other. Like that. So every time it curves, I'm going to put 2 right next to each other. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Alright, so you do the rest. 5 pipes or more, whatever you can fit to fill up your whole paper. Once you do your 5 pipes, you're going to get your color pencils or your crayons, and you are going to color each pipe a different color. Try to use lights and darks when you color. That is called blending. So you see, blend your colors, lights and darks. Barely touch the paper to get light, and then press a little bit heavier to get dark. So go ahead and finish your 5 pipes. And hopefully you had fun learning about overlapping using PVC valves, which are the white little pipes that you can buy at any Home Depot or stores like that. Alright, so have fun doing the rest of this video, and hopefully you had fun learning about overlapping. I'm going to go ahead and continue. can follow the rest of this video or make your own direction. Okay, I'm going to go down here. Let's make one go this way. Pick up my pencil, go to the other side. I'm going to go down, pick up my pencil, go to the other side, and then let's go off of the paper. So I'm going to continue the second part of the pipe. Down, go to the left, pick up my pencil, go on the other side, go down. So like I said, do not follow this video. If you don't have to, you can make your own design. I'm going to do 2 close lines next to each curve. And then I'll do 1 far away. 3 dots next to each line. Alright, so go ahead and make yours. Do not follow mine if you don't want to. Make your own design and have fun with it.